So I'm here at the Retro Auto Works Auto Repair Shop in Pottstown. I'm here because my state inspection just expired and I'm here to get it renewed and get it done. They just opened this place like a couple of weeks ago, so this is brand new. Last time I was here it was still Gillen's Auto Repair Shop, but somebody bought the place and they changed the name to Retro Auto Works Auto Repair. This is the very convenient place to take your car, your truck, in this mechanic shop because there are a lot of plenty of space in here for parking. There's parking space right there, there, and over here. So no matter how big is your vehicle, bring him in here and get it fixed. I'm going into waiting area right now, so I'm gonna show you the place here. Yeah, they did a great job here. They really renovated the place really good. Yeah. Yeah, they even have the snacks and the coffee for waiting customers. So this is very convenient. When winter comes, this is the heater right here. That's their office. Printer, computer, and they also have their certification here as a qualification, certified mechanic, master technicians. I tell you what, man, this place is like a house, a brand new house. So he's checking my car right now to see if everything's okay. Yeah, the garage is huge. The garage is huge. They could probably fit like 5 cars in here. See? And if you have no any cash, they also accept Visa card, Visa, MasterCard, etc. There's more information about this place. If you need to get some card, you can get that. You can put that in your wallet or take a picture. That way when you need to come here again, you can just put down the address in your computer or in your cell phone. Yeah, I really have a big respect to the mechanic because without no mechanic, I won't be in the road.
Give a pop brakes on it. Yeah.
Section here.
Inspection is $49.99.
Okay.
And oil changes for conventional synthetic blend, you're looking $39.99 parts and labor.
Yeah.
And for full synthetic, $59.99 parts and labor.
Okay, that's
Okay.
great.
Yep.
Oh, that's very affordable, man.
Yeah, it's yeah, we're trying to stay affordable. You know, we know everybody's got bills to pay, so including us. Everybody's got bills to pay.
Of course,
so.
man. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Yep. This mechanic shop is brand new and they offer snacks, coffee, water, and cookies, etc. As you can see, this place is really clean, well maintained. That's it, boss.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it,
I
boss.
appreciate it. Thank you.
I will share. You have a good one, guys. Hey guys, if you're looking for a good mechanic with affordable price, Retro Auto Works is the perfect place for you to get your car fixed or to get your car inspections. Today I got my state emission special here and my air filters removed and put a new one in there. I only spent $84.98 and that's below $100. So you know what, if you want to save money, just stop by to this mechanic shop. Now that I got my sticker renewed, now that I don't have to worry about getting a ticket